Over 200 young people from Mandera have benefited from donations from the Kenya Red Cross Society to venture into small business. The donations included sewing machines and saloon kits and is aimed at helping the young people make a living.
The donations were meant for those who have undergone vocational trainings. Speaking in Mandera town, Michael Alabey, the Red Cross County Disaster and Risk Management Head, said the organization is committed to improving the lives of citizens and urged the youth to utilize the donations to uplift their livelihoods.
Mlikuwa wengi ambao walikuwa wanahitaji hizi nafasi, lakini nyinyi ndio mlipata bahati. Na bahati huwa sio kila siku. Bahati hukuja mara moja katika labda maisha. Ukipata ile bahati ambayo umepata kufikia kupata mafunzo, kupata mpaka vyombo ambayo unaweza ukaanza naye kazi, shukuru Mungu. Na ukipata bahati basi usiharibu, tumia vizuri, kwa sababu kwa bahati hiyo ukiifanya vizuri, yule mwingine ambaye anaweza kusaidika pia atapata fursa.
While echoing Alabey's remarks, Mandera County Commissioner Onesmus Kiatha appealed to the development partners and non-government organizations to chip in and help more youth people become self-reliant.
I want to thank the donor for availing those tools, and we still request for more. That is just for the support is for 159 beneficiaries. We still have more youths who are still languishing in the county, and they still require this kind of support.
Those who benefited from the program commended the Kenya Red Cross, saying the gesture will help them improve their living standards.